Hi Sam, so here is a very quick version of a pantry in the space you sent me details for. Just get the measurement tool up. These shelves at the side are 200 deep, the ones at the back are 300 deep. They can be absolutely anything, and you can mix them up however you see fit. So if you wanted from waist height down, a longer shelf there. The distribution vertically is anything you want it to be. I've just randomly selected 250mm, but judging by our pantry at home, I would suggest a bigger distribution at the bottom and bigger shelves at the bottom. But that is the basic structure. I will send you a cost for all of these parts, and I will send you a cost for the boards. That will give you a baseline cost, which, knowing these projects as I do, that won't change significantly regardless of how you distribute and divide up the storage. Okay, I hope it's going to be useful to you, and hear from you soon.